My Coventry ID is 9638523. Hello guys, my name is Abhishek Rai. Today I am going to show you guys my project on Web API, which is online bookstore. Here you can see the front end. These two are the front end and back end folders where I have been working. Well, let me give a short description about my project. It's about online bookstore where you can purchase book, where the admin can add the book, update the book and delete the book if necessary. And same goes to the user. The user can buy the book and update his profile, etc. The project is done on MSC pattern, which have been separated in folders such as views, models, etc. As I have already shown you, the whole project is divided into two parts, that is front end and back end. In the front end, I have used HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Well, this front end can clearly communicate with my backend, with the backend, and does the CRUD operations pretty much. Here is the backend, and you can see the model and view folders here. So let's begin with our project. Here I have already opened the home page. This is the home page. Let's begin with login. Well, before login, we need to register. Let's register a new user named ABCD, last name EFGH. Well, if I try to log in, register with the blank fields, there is validation. There is the front end validation, and let's begin with this. Password 1234, address, and you can choose the profile picture for your photo. Well, I'll choose this one, and the age will be, let's say, 19. Email abcd@gh.com. Now you can, and you have been shown with the pop-up message that is user successfully registered. And now let's try that. Well, you can see that in the database. I'll show you that in my database. This is my Unity Books database name and user. Here you can see the user that I've just created. That username is ABCD and password is 1234. Let's log in with that one. Password 1234. This is the token. Okay. Now these are the books that the admin has posted on the site, and here you can buy these books. I will buy this one, and this one, this last one too. Okay. Where you can see the book bought here that I have just recently. You can see the username, that is ABCD, and name of the books, and status is bought. And you can also cancel the product if you don't want to buy. Cancel the books if you don't want to buy, and there it is updated. And you can also update the profile, and the data is retrieved from the database. Okay, I'll choose this profile picture. Let's say I'll change this name to AFGH. and address to London. Okay, here the user is successfully updated, and you can see the brief description of our college. Well, I don't specifically have the bookstore, so I just pinpointed my college in the map. This is the static map, and well, this is much about users. Now I'm going to log in with admin and my admin password. Okay, at first you will see the book upload, and let's say I'm going to upload a book. Mm, I'll upload an orphan's war. Okay, you can see the image here, and book name is an orphan's war. Orphan's war. Book type, let's say child. Book author Molly Green. Book price, let's say 777. Add book, and the book is successfully added. And you can see the books. This are books here that I added. I just added this one, and you can edit this one too. The data is received, and let's say I'll put this color please. And Molly Green. I'm going to put Molly, and okay. And you can see here it is Molly, and the image is also updated. You can also delete the books. Okay, I will delete this one. And let's see, it is deleted. And in the users stage, this is the user that I have just created, ABCD and London. You can also delete the users that don't have current that don't want to buy products from us, and that is it. This is our basic uh, project on web API using with frontend and backend. I'll show you some of my codes. Uh, these are the routes that is known as uh, view, and models are also there. Let's do some testing. Well, you have to run npm test. And here you can see 2 passed, test 6 passed. 2 suits mean this book test yes and user test yes, and test are 6, that is create, update and delete. In the same way, create, update and delete. Well, let's say I want to fill 1. I will replace this with that's E only. Let's save it and run it. See, you can see the error in here, and that expected is V and received is 02. Okay then. Well, thank you guys. This is the basic simple project that I created using Node.js Express in the backend with RESTful public web API.